Good morning, everyone. So, today I'm gonna take care of my plants. I just remove these dead plants or leaves that are not looking healthy. Okay. You see, they're just growing long like this, and it's not looking so good on the pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna okay, so I'm just going to loosen up the soil first. I need to give some manure here, but I'll have to purchase it, so till then I'll just do what's best. I mean, whatever is. I'll do this. Okay. And then I'll just check the length. This. Okay, most of it is healthy. There are a few which are not so nice, so I'll just get rid of them. I'll just keep the ones which are the leaves that are healthy, and I'll just rub it. This does not look so good. This needs a lot of patience, so you need to wrap them slowly. Okay. If you don't have that to hold on to the stem, you can take a clip, bobble pin. Okay. Do this and just to hold it. Yeah, that's how you hold it, so it doesn't budge out. Okay. So we have this layer. Now she's going to settle it in. So most of the leaves have been damaged, okay, because of so many things. So you're the only one who can take care of your own plants. So you just have to take charge and take care of them, because you are the one planting, so you will know what the value of your plants are, okay, not someone else. So you need to take care. Whatever is looking big, looking brown, spotty, get rid of them, okay. And I haven't given them water for a while, so they're looking a little bit dry now. Then I mean, they're looking a little weak, so I'm gonna give them some water in a while. So do that. Okay, so the soil is looking quite okay, so I'm just going to fix the leaves. See, the reason why you do this is not just because, there are some parts, like this. There are some, see, like there are some parts which don't have leaves. It's not just because of that. Like when you, roll them around the pot, the roots start moving and new saplings come up. They start budding. So that's also one of the reasons you do that. So you can roll this. After rolling, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with this also. Just take a pin again, bob pin. I don't know, it's feeling very weak today, but I'm just trying to distract myself. And these dogs, they're so annoying. just bark at the wrong time. It's really annoying, you know. Sometimes. Yeah, okay. So just make sure that all the leaves are all on the way. They're not squeezed in between the stems and all that. So yeah, this is the second one I did. Not the second one, this is the third one. So yeah, this is done, and this is the last one. This is the ugliest one, but I don't care how it looks. I just want plants around me, so like this. I'm doing this in this table. But yeah, the plants are kept in this table, so I'm just doing it here. The plants are clean, so I can do it. However, so I'm just going to remove all the stems or roots or leaves that are bad, not looking healthy, dry. Okay. Remove them all. Okay. Leaves that are looking old, sad, get rid of them. And okay, all right. This is what I need to wipe it out first. Okay, this is short. I think it's this. I think this is not going to go anymore. It's too big, right? Look at this. Oh, my face. Yes, this. I don't know what's up with the weather. Of course, it's global warming, but everything is changing now. So, I can't even go outside and do proper gardening because sometimes it's just raining. I mean, if the weather is suitable, it's raining. If it's not, then it's too hot. So, I don't really get to go outside and do all these things. Right now, it's very, very hot. So, yes, it's just all over the place. You know, the weather is like all over the place. I think I have to look at this big one. Next. Then I use this. That's not okay. Just rub it. This is like really old. When I first purchased this part of the stem has been there for a long, long time, so it's really old. Okay. Yeah. See, like no matter how much you want to beautify this, it's not good. It's not good, you know. I don't know, something is wrong with the color of this nail art. I just don't know. It doesn't look good. It doesn't please your eyes, you know. Okay, just wait one more. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is the last one. I will try it a lot, make it look pretty, so that's it. Clean this paper. Some water. that's it. So I hope it was helpful. If you have many plants at home, you can do the same. And so I've got this. They don't need a lot of maintenance because I don't have to. I mean, they are quite healthy. They have, leaves growing properly on them, so I don't really have to manage them. This I have to, but then not often. So yeah, so this is how you can take care of your plants, especially money plants, because they tend to look very, untidy if you don't maintain them, or if you don't have a big pot, or you don't have a place to hang it, then it's of no use. You have to keep it. I have to keep it here. So yeah, you can do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.